Money in the Bank 2019 match card and results. Daniel Bryan and Eric Rowan versus the Usos in a non-title match. The winners of this match, the Usos. Women's Money in the Bank ladder match. Mandy Rose versus Ember Moon versus Dana Brooke versus Alexa Bliss versus Bayley versus Natalya versus Naomi versus Carmella. The winner of this match in Miss Money in the Bank was Bayley. Samoa Joe versus Rey Mysterio for the United States Champion. The winner of this match and the new United States Champion, Rey Mysterio. The Miz versus Shane McMahon. The winner of this match was Shane McMahon. Tony Nese versus Ariya Daivari for the Cruiserweight Champion. The winner of this match and still the Cruiserweight Champion, Tony Nese. Becky Lynch versus Lacey Evans for the Raw Women's Champion. The winner of this match retaining the Raw Women's Champion, Becky Lynch. Becky Lynch versus Charlotte Flair for the SmackDown Women's Champion. The winner of this match and the new SmackDown Women's Champion, Charlotte Flair. After the match, Miss Money in the Bank, Bayley came out and cashed in her Money in the Bank contract to become the new SmackDown Women's Champion. Charlotte Flair versus Bayley for the SmackDown Women's Champion. The winner of this match and the new SmackDown Women's Champion, Bayley. Roman Reigns versus Elias. The winner of this match was Roman Reigns. Seth Rollins versus AJ Styles for the Universal Champion. The winner of this match, still the Universal Champion, Seth Rollins. Kofi Kingston versus Kevin Owens for the WWE Champion. The winner of this match, retaining the WWE Champion, is Kofi Kingston. In the main event of the show, it was Andrade versus Ricochet versus Drew McIntyre versus Finn Balor versus Sami Zayn versus Baron Corbin versus Mustafa Ali versus Randy Orton versus Brock Lesnar for Mr. Money in the Bank contract. The winner of this match and Mr. Money in the Bank was Brock Lesnar. That's it for Money in the Bank 2019. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video.